Hi friends, I am Vijay Venkat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Education Note. Friends, I have explained up to adding a card and background image and how to style a button. Friends, I have told that in my previous videos. I will explain you how to bring that card to the bottom of the website. So to do that, in my previous video, I have explained that Bootstrap CDN text. I have told that I will provide it in my video description. So I will too provide this text in this video description too. So please paste this text in between the start and end tag of the head so that we can use that bootstrap predefined names to bring that HTML card to the bottom of our website. So in bringing that card, I will introduce you a new topic, that is layout. That layout is a pattern in which we structure the information and arrange the element on the website. That means here we have structured a card and we are assigning that to arrange it in the bottom of our website. So it means it is one of the layout property. So for that layout we have methods to design that layout. In that there are two methods, that in first one is the flex box and second one is a css grid. So css grid is advanced and fast growing, but it is not a stable one. So it will be stable in a few years, so it takes some time. So but we use the flexbox method to design a layout which is a stable one. That means it is used to arrange our HTML elements to center and to bottom, and in we can arrange it in row and a column. So there are some properties and arranging our card in our website. So in that first property is a flex box container. It means the flex box container has the flex items. That is, for example, here in a div class, is there no in class equal to bg container. In that I am giving a space. So here we assign that flex box properties and bring that card to bottom of our website. If we need it to be at center, we assign the center, and it to be and in general it will be at start. So there are the three properties of flexbox to arrange our card. So in that one is a deflex. So we need to write deflex in that div class bg container value. After we will give a space and we add d hyphen flex. Make sure that we must copy this text in between start and end tag of the head. So in the div class, after bg container we just give a space and enter deflex. It is one of the property to apply the flex items. So and after that we give a space and we assign the direction, that is flex hyphen row or flex hyphen column. The flex hyphen column value makes our card to move vertically, that is to top or to bottom or to center of our website. This item or flex row gives, that is to move one of the left side or right side. So we want to move our card to bottom of our website. So we use flex hyphen column as a value. So after that again give a space and again we need to add another property in order to completely make our card to move down. So third property is justify hyphen content hyphen. After that If we need this card to be at the start of the website, we assign the value start. If we want to be at center, I'm assigning center, and I will run and show. That card will be aligned to the center of the website. So if we need at start, wait. If we assign the start, that card will be at the start of the website. In before I have assigned the center, then it will be at the center. So I have told that I will bring that card to the bottom of the website. So we need to add end, so that the card will move to the end of the website. So in this way, we use the flexbox design layout method to arrange our card to bottom or start or center of our website. So I have told that I will bring this card to the bottom of our website. So as you see, many of the websites, the card will be at most probably at the bottom of their website. So I have explained that how to bring that card to the bottom. If you need at start itself, you need not to assign these all values to be at start. In general, that will be at only start. So in this way, you can assign and align your card. So you just copy this text without copying and pasting this text in between the start and end tag of the head. You will won't get these results. So please be sure about when you are performing this program. So up to till now, I have explained up to this adding a background color and adding a card and moving it from top to the bottom and making a style and styling the button and so on. In my next video, I will explain about some more new topics. So to get a notification after for my next video, so please like this video, share and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.